In the title of this video, I challenged your idea of a black hole, your concept of a black hole. So the first thing that you should do to prove me wrong is to go to the comment section of this video and honestly write down what do you think a black hole is. And let's see if our thoughts match after that. So let's begin the video. Hey guys, I am Biyas. I'm an Indian astrophysicist working on a galactic black hole. So if you search on Google that what is a black hole, the first result you will get will be from Wikipedia, and it will say something like a black hole is a massive object of immense gravitational pull, so much so that even an electromagnetic radiation such as light cannot escape from it. But what does all this exactly mean? Well, the very basic definition of a black hole comes from the general theory of relativity by Albert Einstein. A black hole is not a hole at all, but it is a massive object in space. If we start from the Einstein's equations and we calculate further, we can see that a black hole is characterized by something called as an event horizon that exists at some radius around the black hole. And if I throw an object, a particle, into the black hole and it crosses the event horizon, once it crosses the event horizon, it cannot return because it starts to behave like time. And any time-like thing, the direction of any time-like thing, as you know, cannot be reversed. Hence, the path of this object also cannot be reversed, and it will directly fall into the black hole under immense gravitational pull. So did this exactly match what you had written in the comment section about your idea of a black hole? Well, I will definitely go and check it out and reply to every single comment in this video. And if you want more such content on black holes, which is upcoming, or more such content on the wonders of physics and astronomy, definitely do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye.